Alright, so I'm over at Walmart in Niceville. I had 5 people, some young folks that were wonderful, that came to my rescue over here. I managed to hobble over here with about half of a can of Fix-A-Flat coming from the McDonald's. The can didn't have much air in it. It was no good. So, and then I also carry an air pump. So, I managed to make it over here real slow with it leaking away, with that big piece of metal in it. And so these young folks that were just wonderful, and it's freezing outside, asked if they could help. And 2 of the boys are mechanics. One's a painter and one's a mechanic. And so they had somebody bring over a jack, and we waited on the jack, and they took my tire off. They went and bought a plug kit and plugged my tire, everything right here in the Walmart parking lot, okay, and put it back on in the freezing cold. And it is wonderful when people do a kindness like that, because I am freezing. And my kid is with me, and we're from out of town. But, man, what a blessing. Great folks. Like I always say, do something kind for a stranger and make a new friend every day, because that's what life is all about. God bless these great folks. I love them. And I'm going to try to mosey on down this road with this tire, hoping it's okay. I got the big piece of metal out of it. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I hope everybody has a great night. And I guess I'll finish up with McDonald's tomorrow. Let's see what they do, because that is really pitiful that they wouldn't even offer to go get Fix-A-Flat or anything, and it was actually like 1 block from Walmart. I sat in their parking lot for over an hour trying to see if they were going to do something, because they said they were going to call this and call that. And the young manager was awful sweet, and I know he felt bad, but it'd have been really cool if maybe they'd have offered to put my spare on. Since there were boys in there. But anyway, that's the way it goes. These people were wonderful. Thanks so much again. And I hope everybody has a really great and blessed evening. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. Love to you, everybody. Talk to you later.